Hello everyone, you are watching my YouTube channel EMK Tech Zone. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can use the best cloud storage to get the free storage space on your laptop as well as on your mobile phone. Before moving toward this video, I just want to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get latest videos on time. Open any web browser and type this URL. I will paste the link of this URL in my description of this video as well. Now you have to scroll down on the bottom of this page. Here you will see two options, mobile app as well as desktop app. If you are going to run this app on your laptop, you need to click on the desktop app. But if you want to download mobile apps, simply you visit the app store on your mobile phone. I am going to click on the cloud storage option. Here you will see that the 20 GB of data will be given to you free of cost. Now I am going to download this app. Simply click on the desktop app button. Here you will see download mega desktop app option. Simply click over here. Here you will be asked either your operating system is Windows, Mac or Linux. Choose your required operating system and simply click on the download button. Your download will be start over here. Download has been completed now. Simply click on this button. Now you have to right click on this app and run this app as an administrator. Here you can select your desired language as well. So simply click on OK button. Then you have to click on the next button. Then you have to click on agree button. Then you have to click on the install just for me button. Again install button. Your app is going to be installed on your computer. Then click on the finish button. Here you see that your app has been installed on your computer as well, and there is a desktop icon on your computer.